We were noticing a lot of people really like the Blake system. And I did notice a lot of people are still using a Blake system like this, where you have the whole rope and it's connected to a clip, and the tail is also connected with the Blake's hitch. So when you use a system like this, you'll do a body thrust where you pull your line, you body thrust up, you push your hitch up as you go, every thrust. And then when you get up in the tree, when you do your walk, you go out on a limb, and then when you're going to go back in, you have to manage your line by pulling it toward you and pushing it out. So what we'll do is show you a way to make it a little bit better by just using a micro pulley and a clip. I need about this much length for me to make a shorter bridge. And I'll need to make a shorter bridge in order for this to be helpful. Now that I have the length that I'm going to need, I'll throw the tail end of the rope through the eye of this clip, and I'm going to do another complete wrap in the eye to make an anchor hitch. So here's your complete wrap right here. And now I'll bring this tail around the standing part of this rope and back in through here. All right. So there's my anchor. Next, I'll tie the Blakes, and I'm going to make this bridge. Normally a bridge is like this. I'm going to make this bridge as short as I can. So what I'm going to do is bring it really close to this anchor. That way, once I sit back and everything, what's going to happen is it's going to stretch. So that's 1 wrap, 2 wraps. This will be the 3rd. And we'll make 4 wraps around it. Now once I got the 4th wrap, what I'm going to do is go around the bridge and back through itself after 2. Go back through 2 of these wraps. Now I'm going to tie, dress, and set this. Okay, get it all snug. Put some pressure on this real quick. All right. Now, the last thing I'll need to do is put a figure of 8 knot on this as a stopper. So, I get that in here. So I have the anchor, the Blakes, and a very short bridge. So by adding just this micro pulley and this clip, it doesn't have to be double locking because it's only going to be a tending agent. All you have to do is just put it on your line and put your carabiner in, or your clip, and connect it to your tie-in point right here. So what this will do is help tend your line. Next, we'll go up in the tree and I'll show you how it works. If you have a short bridge, your body thrust will be a little bit different. With a long bridge, you're going to grab below your hitch, and then when you body thrust, you push your hitch up. If you have a short bridge, what you're going to do is you'll grab above your hitch, and then you're going to pull and tend from below. So you grab it, you pull, you body thrust, and then you tend your line underneath. So this is what it'll look like when you're body thrusting with a short bridge. Usually I do about 2 pulls so the loop doesn't get below my body, because if I were to slip, I could get hurt. So you do a couple pulls, 1, 2, and then with your hand you hold it, and then you tend your line. There you go. So with this shorter bridge, it's a bit nice because with the regular size bridge, this is the short bridge here, but the regular bridge would probably be out to here. So my climbing hitch would be a further away. And so when I'm going to do the outward walk, it's a bit further away. I mean, I like having the hitch a bit closer to me. So you pull the hitch back and you walk outward. And it's all right there next to you. So you get to where you're going to go, and then you would lanyard in. All right, do your work, And now, if it were the longer bridge, when you're coming back, you have to pull your knot in and tend it. Like you have to let your body up and tend it. But if you have this little pulley here, it's pretty nice because now when you tend, you just kind of lift, you throw your hips forward, and when you throw your hips forward, this will tend as you pull it up. So you let go your lanyard, stow it away. Okay, you can even hold on to a limb when you're coming back. The other way, what happens is you have to balance yourself, you throw your body forward, and you throw your hitch. But this way, what's pretty nice is as you walk forward, you just tend your hitch as you go. You can even hold other branches if you needed to. That's a real cool thing about having this short bridge with a pulley and a clip. So next, what I'd like to do is show you another option. When you're tying in this method, in order to advance your line, so if I started at the ground and I started working my way up, in order to advance, I got to untie this from me and go around other branches and then tie everything back over. But I'll show you another way we can do it where you can advance it just like what it actually a split tail. Well, having this micro pulley and this clip really makes it a lot easier for tending when you're walking in on a limb and even when you're body thrusting. But having this whole loop system where if you're advancing, you have to untie it, it's not really cool. So what you could do, let me take this off and I'll show you. You could get a piece of your climbing rope, a good piece of a climbing rope. I'll show you what I've already done. I had this little section of climbing rope that I cut and I put a termination on it, and I have a pulley. I mean, a carabiner. Now this could be my bridge right here. So what I'll do is I'll untie all of this and I'll put a termination on this end onto this clip. And then with this carabiner and this piece of line, I'll make this point right here with a small bridge. And I'll show you what you can do once you do that. So now I've switched over my termination clip to just a termination knot here. And I've put that piece of a split tail and tied the blakes here. You can see it's still a small bridge and I got a carabiner on it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm already lanyarded in. So let me, okay. What I'll do is I'm going to bring my termination to me. Well, let me clip this on real quick here so I don't lose track of it. And I'm going to send this termination up over my tie-in point that I had. All right. And bring it back to myself. All right. So now, instead of having to untie everything, since I've already done it, and if I would have done this on the ground, having this split tail and the termination, it'd be a lot easier to advance once I get up into the tree. So I'll throw into a limb here. Okay. Now I'll clip in here to my tie-in point. And now that I have this, now all I need to do is get the pulley and the clip and connect back in. Put the pulley under the knot, clip it on, and now I'm just going to clip it back to this carabiner here. Remember, it's only a tending piece, so you don't really have to have a double lock in here. If you want to use one, you can. So then all I'd have to do to advance is just pull my line up a little, weight myself real quick. I'm going to take my lanyard off. And now as I start to advance up, you just tend a little bit as you go, and then throw your lanyard back on. Get to a nice point, loosen this up, and then all you got to do is advance your your clip. Back to yourself. Once it's on, you continue walking up the tree. So instead of having to untie the whole system, you have the split tail where you can take this clip on and off till you reach your final destination. It's another way to make the Blake's a lot better. Well, there you have it. A way to make the Blake's system, when you tie in a regular fashion, a bit easier by using a clip, a micro pulley, and a short bridge. Also having a split tail system with a short bridge and the same, pulley and carabiner. I think it's a lot easier to walk around the tree with this system rather than, the old-fashioned way where you're pushing the knot, pulling the rope back and pushing the knot up. It's a lot more easier. You got more freedom of holding branches while you tend. And even on the upward pulling, when your hand's above the knot, I always feel that it's easier for me to pull than if it's below the knot. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like what we do. And by all means, share our videos. Take care. We'll see you next time.